Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Sumit and today I've got really important and exciting news for all international Indian students dreaming about studying in India's top engineering institute. We are going to talk about DASA Counselling 2025, what it is, who it is for and how it works. So grab your notepad and let's jump in. So the first thing, what is DASA? DASA stands for Direct Admission of Students Abroad. It is your golden ticket to get into India's top tech institutes. We are talking 31 NITs, 13 triple ITs, 28 GFTIs and 3 schools of planning and architecture, all under one counseling process. Pretty awesome, right? Now, one question that I get asked all the time, that how many seats are available under DASA scheme? Well, the answer is 15% supernumerary seats are exclusively reserved for DASA candidates. Let's talk about eligibility. You are eligible if you are a foreign national, an overseas citizen of India, a person of Indian origin or a non-resident Indian, and also if you are born on or after October 1st, 2000. Let's talk about academic eligibility. You must have passed 10+2 or an equivalent exam. Appeared in 2024-25 session, no worries. As long as you get your result by September 30, you are good to go. You must have taken maths, physics and anyone out of chemistry, biotechnology, computer science or biology as your subject. Your aggregate should be 75% or 7.5 CGPA and of course a valid rank from JEE Mains 2025 examination. Listen carefully. For Indian nationals, the criteria includes having completed at least 2 years of education which must consist 11th and 12th grade or equivalent in a foreign country within last 8 years. Additionally, the exam must have been passed from abroad. Now, let us make your doc prep easy. You will need a passport, proof of date of birth, mark sheets 10th, 11th and 12th, school certificate for 11th and 12th, proof of 2 years of foreign education in case of NRI, medical certificate, OCI, PIO cards if applicable, and lastly JEE Mains 2025 rank card. Important tip, all these formats should be as per the brochure of DASA 2025. Links are given below in the description. Now, let us talk about a special category under DASA, that is CIWG. Stands for Children of Indian Workers in Gulf Countries. Eligible countries are UAE, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Bahrain, Iraq and Iran. Here is what you need other than usual documents: your parents' passport, valid Gulf visa, work permit and employer's certificate. And remember, CIWG candidates can also opt for DASA seat by paying the initial fees, and if you get a seat under CIWG, you will get a refund after some deduction. Now, let us break down the DASA counseling process. It is fully online and super streamlined. Step number 1, registration. Step number 2, pay the DASA enrollment fees. Step number 3, upload your documents. And step number 4, respond to any verification query received. Step number 5, pay the balance fees if applicable. Step number 6, fill and lock your college choices. Step number 7 is your round 1, that includes seat allotment, online reporting and exercising willingness. Next is round 2, includes same seat allotment, online reporting and exercising willingness. Then next is round 3. Remember, this is the final round in which all seats are auto-accepted. Then finally, physical reporting to your institute. Now, here is date to remember. DASA registration, fees payment and choice filling starts from Wednesday 30th July 2025 from 10 AM IST. Remember, 10 AM IST. Dear student and parent, this is a high-stake time-bound process. So, read the brochure carefully, prepare your doc and hit the submit on time. And as mentioned earlier, The link to the brochure is given in the description below. Do read it. Hey, still need help? You can contact us. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you next time. Until then, keep hustling, stay curious.